10 healthy tips to safely get rid of heavy earwax. Warm water rinse. Use a rubber bulb syringe filled with warm water. Gently squirt the water into your ear canal and tilt your head to let it drain out. This can soften and dislodge the wax. Saline solution. A mixture of warm water and salt can be effective in softening earwax. Use a dropper to apply a few drops into the ear canal and let it sit for a few minutes before draining it out. Olive oil. Warm a small amount of olive oil and use a dropper to put a few drops into the affected ear. Let it sit for several minutes to soften the wax before tilting your head to allow it to drain out. Hydrogen peroxide. Dilute hydrogen peroxide with equal parts water and apply a few drops into the ear. Allow it to bubble for a few minutes to break down the wax before rinsing it out with warm water. Over-the-counter ear drops. There are commercial ear drops available specifically designed to soften and remove earwax. Follow the instructions provided on the packaging for safe usage. Ear irrigation kit. Purchase an ear irrigation kit from a pharmacy, which typically includes a bulb syringe and earwax softening solution. Follow the kit's instructions carefully for safe and effective wax removal. Steam. Inhaling steam can help soften earwax. Lean over a bowl of hot water, but not boiling, and cover your head with a towel to trap the steam. Stay in this position for several minutes before tilting your head to drain the softened wax. Exercising, working out. While exercising, the body naturally heats up, along with earwax, allowing the earwax to loosen and drain out of your ear naturally. Avoid Q-tips. Refrain from using cotton swabs or any other objects to clean inside your ears, as they can push the wax deeper into the ear canal and cause injury. Consult a healthcare professional. If home remedies are ineffective or if you experience pain, hearing loss, or persistent symptoms, consult a healthcare professional. They can safely remove the earwax using specialized tools or techniques. Always exercise caution when attempting to remove earwax at home, and seek medical advice if you are unsure or if you experience any discomfort.